Okay, tap brake.
Hello guys, welcome back. As you can see, one of the brake light is not working. Actually, the brake light already replaced a few units already. I'm not sure why the bulb keep burning. So I decided to try the Osram LED. This one. Size of the bulb is P21/5 watt. Okay, it's a red color. The quality is quite good. It's quite solid. Okay, so let's proceed to. So let's try to open this. Pull here first. Try to pull this. Try to pull here. Okay, try to pull up. Then out. So you see the white socket. Remove first. So let's remove the white socket first. Then twist this one. Okay, replace with the LED. Okay, test working. So put it back. Okay, there you go. It's very easy to replace the brake light. Okay, so now let's check it out whether the LED compare with the traditional bulb. Is there any difference in terms of the brightness? So let's see, this is the traditional bulb. Okay. This is the LED bulb. Okay, let's compare side by side. Okay, when we compare side by side, it's actually not much different between these two. So I think let's hope the LED is much more durable compared to the traditional one. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.